Hey there guys, this is Rocky Red Panda here for PND Studios. Make sure you like and subscribe. Like and subscribe for more awesome videos on my channel. Hey there guys, and welcome back. And this is Food Travels here at PND Studios. And of course this week we're going back to an old haunt of mine. We're going back to Hunt's Battlefield Fries. So come join us. Hunt's Battlefield Fries has been around since 2001 and offers the best cheesesteaks and fries in town. Located on Steinway Avenue, it is in the heart of the tourist district, so it's easy to find.
Now Scott is known for one thing only, the best cheesesteak in town. And when you order the fries, don't get large, get a small, large about size of a football field. Excuse me, been drinking Pepsi, but they have other stuff on the menu. But you really want that cheesesteak. I'm waiting for this one.
Now Scott is one of those places, he's been making French fries for a long time. Locals, tourists alike come here. Best cheesesteak in town.
I'll still say Scott's it's the best cheesesteak in town. Still it's the best cheesesteak in town. Good fries, good everything. Absolutely love it here. With that being said, I can finish my cheesesteak. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Like and subscribe for more awesome videos on my channel. Until next time guys, peace out.